I'm going to show you how I advise my customers to properly apply a hair mask at home using the unique Kerastase gesture. After having washed and properly rinsed out your hair, towel dry it to remove any excess water. This step is key to prevent the mask from being diluted, which will ensure maximum performance. Now separate your hair into 2 equal-sized sections. Kerastase deep treating masks have a high concentration of active ingredients. Use no more than a hazelnut-sized amount of mask that you can place in the palm of your hand. If you have longer, thick hair, you can double the amount of mask used. Apply to hair lengths and ends, working your way up the lengths, making sure to stop 2 centimeters before the roots of the hair to ensure a weightless feel. The next step is to twist and wrap the lengths, which will facilitate the penetration of the mask into the hair. Leave in as such for at least 5 minutes. Now add a bit of water and emulsify. Hold the strand of hair at the root with one hand and use the other to properly extract any excess of product. Then rinse thoroughly. My customers often ask how often to use a mask. For fine hair, I recommend the mask be used occasionally for a deeper treatment. For thick hair, the mask acts as your conditioning treatment to be applied after every shampoo. To find the ideal mask for your hair type, visit your nearest Kerastase salon.